When it comes to setting up a bike for towing a trailer, installing the hitch is usually pretty straightforward. But when it comes to wiring the bike for a trailer, that can be kind of a mysterious process to a lot of people. Well, it doesn't have to be that way. Hey, I'm Dale with Open Road Outfitters, and in this video series, I'm going to show you a solution for trailer wiring that's easy to use, flexible, and has some pretty cool features on it that can enhance your safety when you're towing a trailer. We're going to take an in-depth look at the ezCAN by Hex Systems. The ezCAN is a 4-channel accessory manager that's plug and play, small, easy to install, and perfect for use as a trailer wiring harness. The ezCAN is available for most modern Harleys, including the touring bikes, trikes, softails, Dynas, and Sportsters. It's also available for BMWs from the mid-2000s, including most all Boxers and K-bikes, and in fact, it's the only plug-and-play solution for Beamers that I'm aware of. The ezCAN plugs into your motorcycle's wiring system, reading the computer messages that are being passed through the wiring harness. Your bike has no idea it's connected because this device is passive. It's just listening. Using a simple piece of software, you configure the ezCAN to do different things based on what the CAN bus hears from the bike. With this, you can set up any one of the 4 outputs on the ezCAN to perform trailer lighting functions like running and tag lights, left turn, right turn, and brake. If your trailer's brake lights are combined with the turn signals, you can program the ezCAN to handle that too. Now here are a few other reasons why I like the ezCAN. First, it's all one piece, and it's small, and it's weatherproof. That makes installation easy, especially when you need to tuck it into a tight space like this one. The ezCAN will protect your bike's expensive wire harness, so if something happens in the wiring on the trailer, a software-based circuit breaker in the ezCAN will shut down the bad circuit and protect the bike. It's also flexible, so let's say you have a camper wired one way and later you get a cargo trailer or you borrow one and it's wired differently. Well, you can connect to the ezCAN on your bike without removing it, uninstalling it, and you can change how it works. With the quick disconnect plugs that are on the outputs, you can build different wire harnesses to match other trailers, and you can change up between any number of trailers or campers. I'll show you how to do that in the next video. And if you think you're going to get hassled about your warranty, all you need to do is remove the wiring harness, leaving the output plugs empty. And when your dealer asks, "What's that for?" you can just honestly say, "Accessories." So, in summary, I really like this ezCAN. I use it on my bike, and I find that it's absolutely rock solid. If you're not sure, if you want to learn more, check out my website because I have links to more videos about how to set up and use the ezCAN. And in other videos in this series, we're going to take a look specifically at using the ezCAN for 5-wire trailers, for 4-wire trailers, and we're going to take another look at some of the advanced features. And there's one there that's really going to light you up. Well, thanks for watching. That's all for this installment. Like I said, you'll find a link to the ezCAN in the description below this video. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos about motorcycle camping and trailering. And until next time, this is Dale with Open Road Outfitters, wishing you many happy journeys.